Which woman is the man wife? The answer is A, because the necklace is same. Second question. Find the number 5. Now double tap the screen, just so I know you got it right. Third question. What's the first app that shows up when you tap share and then more? I'm guessing it's the Messages app. Did you know? If you follow me, I'll lose all of my hair. Fourth question. Press and hold the comment button, then pick your favorite emoji. I bet you picked this one. Now, for the final question. Be warned, it's a tough one. What number do you see in the image? Post your answer in the comments and follow me for more fun quizzes like this.